जब आप किसी मुकाम पे पहुंच जाएंगे ना फिर आप खाइएगा. अभी सिर्फ जो टॉपिक दिया है ना उसको माड़ा जा थोड़ा उसको खा लें, मज़ा आएगा आपको. लेट्स गो ऑन. Speaking part 2, the topic is describe your experience when you changed
Past.
your school or college. Okay, yeah, not uniform. So when you change your school or college.
Well, I have been in two schools in my life. My primary school is much different from my secondary school. I would like to talk about my secondary school that in which I studied for class 6 to class 10th. I had changed my school because my father got transferred to a different city. Then we have to move with him. We had to move from with him. At that time, I am really sad. I was really sad because leaving my primary school, but my secondary school is very much bigger. Was much bigger than my primary school. Its infrastructure is huge.
Its infrastructure was huge.
Its infrastructure was huge. There was a huge playground that helped me to participate in sports activity. There was a trainer, sports trainer who helped me in sports. There was moreover there was a big library, and moreover there.
Okay, thank you so much. Now the first thing is tenses, present and past. The second thing, you are repeating the same structure. There was, there were, there was, there were. Try to come out of this repetition. And the third thing is, at the moment you're using simple sentences, try to use compound sentences. Connect your ideas together. It'll be better. Fluency is good. Ideas are fine. Tenses and connectivity of ideas, and then repetition. That's what you need to take care of. Now let's go on. Do you think it is good for children when we change their school?
I don't think so. It is good for children to change their school because they are habitual to stay at their older one, because they adjust there and they have a lot of friends. As we change their school, they become sad at the new place and face new faces there.
Did you enjoy your school life?
Yes, I really enjoyed my school life because I have a lot of friends there and I enjoyed their company.
Okay, that's good. This answer is short. Try to elaborate more. Right? I enjoyed my school life for various reasons. First of all, I had a very nice company of my friends, and even today they are my friends. Secondly, our teachers were really outstanding, and I enjoyed the learning experience.
Yes.
Okay, like this, it'll be better. Thank you. Good job.